out of it soon, kid, 'cause we're going after Adrian tomorrow. Bright and early. Night-night.
Yeah, I know. Get some sleep thing, Mr. Beefy.
That is the most horrifying thing I have ever seen. Go to her.